Right, so these are police gear lockers. We use them for more than just police. They make them in tons of sizes. 18, actually you can go 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 is probably the most common sizes. It's probably more 18, 24, 30, and 36. The depth is 24. We have different sizes there as well. It is a super heavy duty locker. This has a flat top, but a lot of people do sloped. You can see the sloped over here on this unit. And they have air vents, so you can do what they call air extraction on these lockers. You can do them with combinations. You can do it with a pin sequence. You can even use it your fob, your badge access, or you can provide your own padlock. It's up to you. So let's open up the door and kind of go in. The door is super reinforced and heavy duty. It's designed like that on purpose. You have some capabilities to, with shells, hanging rods. It has an air extraction baffle at the top. It has venting. I think the key thing is you can put a bench on it or no bench. This example doesn't have a bench, but these drawers are super deep and they're great for muddy boots or anything that somebody might have. The drawer is an interlocking drawer, so the drawer will not open unless it's unlocked at the top. So this door has to be open at the top for this drawer. You can see the door goes all the way back, or however you want to do that. But it is a super heavy duty locker with a bench or without a bench. It's kind of up to you. The slope top I think is key because a lot of people will put a slope top on there because you go into a locker room, you always see Coke cans or water bottles on top. It doesn't look that great. The slope top eliminates all of that. The slope top also creates what they call air plenum for air extraction.